Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Professor T-Rex, and in this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to buy an NFT on Herobook. So at the top, you will see under main website marketplace. You just have to click marketplace and you'll be redirected to their marketplace. Now, this time guys, you will need a referral link for you to be able to access their marketplace and participate under INO. So if you try to click login, okay, it will appear and you need to log in using your MetaMask, but your MetaMask is not yet registered. So what you need to do, go to the getting started, okay, and here you will be required to input a sponsor link. So that's my sponsor's link, and just click active and then just make sure that you log into your MetaMask. Okay, so let's paste again the sponsor's link. Okay, I'm already registered, so I just need to log in with my MetaMask and just click sign in. Okay, so login successful. Now this is my dashboard guys, and you can see here the referral link. So you can share this link to your friends if you want them to join on the INO of Herobook. Okay, so no one can access the dashboard guys or the INO unless they use a referral link. And every successful NFT sale, you get a commission out of it. Alright, now here, you will see your HBG balance. So the HBG guys is the main token of Herobook. Now this time you need to avail HBG for you to be able to buy an NFT under INO. Okay, so what you need to do is just go to the top and you will see here buy. Just click that one and you'll be redirected to PancakeSwap, and then a pop-up message guys will appear asking you to import HBG token. So all you have to do is just click I understand and click import. All right, now this time let's connect our MetaMask. That's it, and let's just buy HBG token worth 255. Okay, so if you will check guys, their NFT, their INO here, they have 4 NFTs for sale. They have silver box, gold, platinum, and diamond box. So the platinum and diamond sold out already. So we only have gold and silver as our choices. So since this is just a tutorial, I will just buy the silver box. So let's go back to the PancakeSwap. Okay, and then let's just click swap. And then just confirm the transaction on your MetaMask and wait for the confirmation message. Alright, it's confirmed, so let's go back to the INO. Okay, so here let's try click this 250 and then just click purchase. So I was able to buy already an NFT a while ago guys, but before you can click the purchase, you will be asked to click approve first. Okay, and then after approval, after confirming on your MetaMask, the purchase will appear. Okay, so this time I just need to click purchase, just one. Okay, that's worth 250 HBG. Click confirm and then confirm also on your MetaMask wallet, and then you have to pay a little gas fee for every transaction. Okay, so here it is. Let's wait for a while. Alright, just click confirm. Okay, now let's go to the marketplace, to our dashboard. Alright, my account, and here in the inventory you will see different boxes, and then here I have 0 box for metal. This is actually a free NFT for everyone, and here I have 1 box for silver. So I just need to click open and just wait for the revelation. Okay, I got a Dory. Confirm. Okay, now that we have opened our NFT, let's go to Hero. Here you will see your NFTs. So I already bought Toti. Toti is a tanker guys, so you can see there. And then we have here Foxy, which is a sniper, which is good at, you know, sniping. And then Sniper also. Okay, so this is also a sniper Dory. Okay, so those are our NFTs guys, and again, once you have one NFT on Herobook, you can access the 3 game features that they have, which are Battle to Earn, Farm to Earn, and Logic to Earn. Alright, so that's it guys. If you want to know more and get updated about Herobook NFT game, don't forget to follow their socials and their communities. And also thank you so much for watching this very brief tutorial video on how to buy their NFTs. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so that you'll be updated every time I have new videos on my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye!